If your locks feel heavy, dry, or just dull, this is the reset routine I use on our Microlocs. After our last henna treatment, I knew this had to become part of our routine. So today we are doing a full detox plus henna reset. We are starting with a lock detox to lift product buildup, hold energy, and deeply cleanse the locks so it can properly receive the treatment. Then I go in with henna mask for strength, nourishment, and a subtle color boost. And honestly, it's been weeks since our last treatment, and since henna bonds for up to 6 weeks, it's definitely time to reconnect. First, I'm preparing henna so it has time to release its dye. For her Microlocs, I'm using henna, cassia, and fenugreek for strength and conditioning. For mine, I went a little extra and also added hibiscus powder. Same process, mix, sieve, because you can never be too sure. For her detox, I'm using a mix of lemon juice, black soap shampoo with baking soda, and apple cider vinegar. Put your bum here. Honestly, I wish I started this early in my own journey. I wouldn't have to deal with years and years of buildup, but I'm learning to do this differently with her, starting early and being more intentional. For mine, I switched it up a bit. I added mint leaves for that cooling, refreshing feel. And yes, I am using a salt shaker because it makes life easier, even though the steam fights me a little. Also, I'm doing this all by myself because my assistant clocked out to go play. I thought I could do this by myself. Hands out. After about 15 minutes, this is what the water looked like. Not gonna lie, this site gives me satisfaction. This is my 4th detox, and the first time I ever did it, I was honestly shocked seeing buildup lift like that. It's wild, and it's not always a pretty process. After about 6 hours of dye release, I applied her henna, and 4 hours later she's ready to rinse. My paste is ready to section my locks, gloves on, and this time I'm using a brush for a clean application. I did spend a little too much on that one side, so I was low-key hoping I wouldn't run out. Then wrap with cling film, shower cap, and a warm hat to keep the treatment active. Her locks came out with a rich coffee hibiscus glow, and they look so much more alive. Mine still a little messy from the henna, and that's okay, that's part of the process. The rest will come out on the next wash day. And that's our full detox plus henna reset routine, something we now do every 6 weeks. We actually did it on separate days, one fully for her and one for me. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending this time with us. If you want my exact moisture routine after this, I've already put it together for you, so check the link below. Until next time.